In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to a Canva video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right track inside Canva and place it neatly into your video timeline so your visuals and audio work together smoothly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Canva. Type the platform name into the search bar and look for the official website in the results. Once you're on the home page, sign in using your usual method. Logging in ensures you can access all your existing designs and that any changes you make will be saved to your account. After you're in, open the Canva design or video project you want to work on. If you've already got a project in progress, select it from your recent designs. This keeps everything consistent and lets you preview how the music will match your current pacing, text, and transitions. With your project open, look over to the left-hand side panel. Click on Apps to open Canva's add-ons and integrations. In the search field there, type Audio, then choose the audio option that appears. This brings up Canva's built-in music library, which is organized for easy searching and previewing. To find the perfect track, use keywords that describe the mood or style you're aiming for, like upbeat, relaxing, cinematic, or ambient. You can also browse by genre if you're not sure what to search. When a track catches your eye, hover over it and click the play button to listen. As you preview, pay attention to the vibe and tempo so the music complements your visuals. If your video includes voiceover or on-screen text, consider something that supports rather than overpowers your message. It also helps to check the track's start and chorus so you know where the energy builds. Once you've found a track you like, add it to your video. You can simply click the track to place it, or drag and drop it onto the drop music area at the bottom of your timeline. You'll see it appear as an audio layer beneath your video clips, which makes it easy to spot and manage. From here, you can immediately play your video to hear how it sounds with the music in place. If the energy doesn't feel quite right, go back to the audio panel and try another option until it fits. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added music to your Canva video, setting the tone and enhancing your storytelling.